Welcome back to the Goodol'boys channel, everybody. So this is my brother Ryan. He's got this 2002 second gen Cummins he's working on. It's got how many miles on it? Like 240,000 miles. The engine has zero blow by. Maybe we can get you guys a little video. Basically, he's working on restoring this thing. He's gonna get her back to better than OEM, right? Yeah. So he's got this frame right here. He's working on splitting it. All right. So a lot of you guys that are familiar with Cummins second gens, you know that there's this frame gap right here, and it's a horrible design. The salt and water gets trapped in there, and basically it ruins the frame. So what he's trying to do here is actually split this because the frame that this truck is on is bad. So he's got this new frame and he wants to make sure this frame's in good shape before he gets started here. So like I said, he's splitting the frame here. He's going to sandblast in between these two parts, and we're going to put you guys on time lapse, and you'll see kind of what we're doing. Got it apart. Did you show them what was in between the frame there?
Oh yeah, this right here. It's about half the frame.
Yep. That's exactly why we're taking it apart. It needs cleaned up. There's still plenty of metal here. It just needs cleaned up. So we were just talking about how it's amazing that a connection point like this can even hold a truck together. You guys can probably barely hear over the noise of the engine, but he's clearly sandblasting part of the frame here. Alright guys, as you can see, the Cummins frame is split. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We're done for today. He's actually going to do some more work, but that'll be in the next video. So for now, we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out the description box below. We'll have all the videos, all our riding videos, tractor videos, truck videos, all that stuff in the description box below. Go check it out. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Woo!
It's all about humanity.